Hello.
Gwyn, when he's here, he's always smiling, laughing.
She's the type of child that loves her crutches and she can have that.
She always comes home with stories about staff and how much fun she's had.
They're really well trained and really pleasant.
I know she's happy here and she's well looked after.
It's really brought him out of his shell, which is what we wanted him to do when he comes here.
The staff are lovely. They act really well with the kids take to them really easily.
They're marvellous with Olivia.
He just sort of bonded with her instantly, so he's been coming here ever since. He's like extended family.
Since starting at Fantasia, Skylar's come on leaps and bounds.
She's been amazing since she started here.
He only started in September and he knows all his numbers in Welsh and English, most of his letters, and he is starting to recognise my middle child's reading books.
Skylar was born 5 weeks early and we were told that Skylar had a slower rate of development.
When Gwyn first came here, he wasn't speaking. He had no language at all, and we were questioning a development delay.
But what we've seen is Skylar's doing well academically as well as socially.
But now he's been coming here for a period of time, his development has now actually overshot his age range.
It's just the little things, not just education-wise. The children know how to share, they know to take turns, they know to sit and listen and know how to treat other kids.
I just think it really helped him by engaging with other children to mix well at school then as well.
If my needs change, then I know that they will be able to change to work around me.
She gives her holiday dates a year in advance, so she's really well organised, which does help with work.
It allows myself and Skylar's mum to work mostly any hours.
My career is pretty full on and I wouldn't be able to do what I do if it wasn't for Fantasia.